and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Firefox on your mobile device. Let's get started. If you're using an Android mobile device, simply go to Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, you go to the App Store. So let's go to Play Store, and next at the bottom you click on the search icon. At the top you click on the search bar, and then you type in Firefox. This is Firefox, and then here it is. Click on it. As you can see, there is 91 megabytes for my phone. You can see all the reviews. So it's a really good browser. Tap on install. Tap on OK. If you're using Wi-Fi to install, I was wrong, so just like that. The next thing we're going to wait for it to install. Once it's through installing, to download. So I meant once it's through downloading, it will install. Now let's look at some of the features. The new Firefox. Browse at the speed of thought. Search privately. Get your tabs in order. Extension make it yours. Share tabs across devices. Focus with reader mode and explore with confidence. Firefox is the internet for people, not profits. Very nice. So let's see. Alright, so 100% that's going to start installing. While that is happening, look at some of the feedback. Very interesting. So it's nice installing. And once it's through, we open it up. It's as simple as that. But before, on how to download and install Firefox browser on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.